Hi all, welcome to Elora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this delicious small fish curry in mustard gravy. So let's get started and check out the recipe. This goes very well with hot rice. Do definitely try this recipe. First take 450 grams of small fish. Add salt as per your taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon. Mix everything well and keep aside. I have soaked half teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 dry red chili, 4 garlic cloves for 30 minutes in water. Now take mustard oil 5 to 6 teaspoon and fry the fish in high flame. Fry them for 1 minute each side. So do not put more fish together. Fry them in batches. Otherwise they'll get stick to each other. So let it cook in one side for 1 minute. Then turn it and cook the other side again for another 1 minute and then remove it to a plate and fry all the fish by adding some more oil in batches. Now strain the seeds from water, add it to the grinder jar, add half onion, 1/4 cup of water and grind them to a smooth paste. Now take some oil, take some mustard seed, cumin seeds, 1 green chili, 1 tomato. Cook it in medium flame for 2 minutes. Now add salt as per your taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Cook again for another 2 minutes. Now add the masala paste. Now keep the flame low and cook it for 1 minute. Do not stir it more, otherwise it will get bitter in taste. Add water half cup. Now cover it and cook it in high for 2 minutes. Cook till the tomato turns soft. Remove the cover and mix it gently. Now add the fish. Now mix everything gently. Do not mix it too much. Just lightly mix it and then switch off the flame and add coriander 1/4 cup. And your delicious small fish curry in mustard gravy is ready. Do definitely try this recipe. This goes very well with hot rice, or if you are eating curd rice or pokhara, there also it goes very well. So thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.